All right, guys, so we are now currently recording. So Matrix, we're on recording now. So
Cool.
guys, we're getting ready for that trading day. I got a minute to go. So again, it's Friday. Things can move a little slower. We may or may not have as big a move as we anticipate. That's normally how Fridays can go. So just, be ready for a possible slower day. Look at GPS. Holy
Holy
cow.
jeez. SPLK too. It
SPLK
just topped out
slamming,
3 points.
slamming. TLRY looking to push here.
All right, guys, 30 seconds. No plan, no trade. Yeah, I'm gonna use 30, 30, 10 as resistance on GPS. Good luck, everyone.
Wow, look at that slam on SPLK.
Here we go.
Twitter's squeezing up this morning. GPS squeezing back up.
Okay,
Wow,
gonna start on
look at the
GPS.
squeeze on ROST. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. This move on ROST is just massive.
I got a 30 average on GPS right now. Exactly 30.
So watching this ROST, it's nuts.
SPLK bouncing back up. Watch the 118 mark on SPLK.
Yeah, watching this closely. It's going for a red to green move possibly. Let's see, watch it pull back here a little bit. ROST pulling back pretty good.
Okay, I'm gonna get out of GPS.
All right, so watching SPLK, it's starting to bounce on the 50 moving average a little bit. ROST is pulling back. TLRY is not really doing much.
Okay, GPS is done. Boom.
ROST is looking a little weak. That was a big pop and then a massive sell-off.
Woo! Go GPS.
Oh, wow. Wow, look at GPS. Missed that move. So still watching ROST and SPLK.
SPLK is holding strong here on the 3 moving averages. So it looks like a long.
Yeah, I might hop in long SPLK. I'm just being patient. not crazy with the way it looks just yet. I always forget the momentum scanner. I apologize, guys. Here you go. So there it is. It's up. Only one stock on it. SSC, of course, that's the one. So SPLK and ROST still trying to move higher.
Oh, GPS gonna dump again.
TLRY might be curling just a little bit. Yeah, it looks like it's pushing.
Boom, GPS. New low of day.
TLRY is pushing up.
It's going lower again, GPS. This little consolidation bar here, there's no volume coming in, so I think it's
Watching SPLK, SPLK has a nice curl to it. I'm long SPLK, just hopped in long 600 shares. Didn't catch it right before it moved. I kind of caught it a little high. So I'm in long 600 shares off that curl. Yeah, I caught it a little high as it started to pop up. It's already failing that move. Wow, that sucked. Wow, really? That's all you got for me? All right, so there goes a pretty good loss here on SPLK if it doesn't continue to bounce up a little bit. Come on, let's go.
I'm gonna get out GPS now. It's holding really strong.
I'm still long on SPLK after getting a horrible fill. Let's go. There it goes. It's popping up. Come on, get me green. Get me green. There it goes. Finally going green on SPLK.
Wow, TLRY just it's breaking out.
Yeah, I downsized on SPLK because it was popping up and then it started to sell off again. So I'm only long 300 shares now. There we go, buddy. And I'm even going to downsize a little bit more there, take some off. So only have 100 shares on SPLK now. Just going to let these 100 shares kind of ride maybe, see what it does. You know what? I already don't like it. Yeah, SPLK is moving stupid right now. I'm just taking it off. Oh, actually I went short. Just get out of that flat. And there we go. So just goofed myself up on SPLK. Very, very bad trading there on that one. Yikes. So all out of SPLK for $153 losses. It's getting super choppy. Yeah, SPLK on the move higher. It's a nice one. Well, ROST is getting a little awkward. So watching SPLK here, or maybe even a possible rollover for a short. ROST is looking a little weak too, but I don't really trust shorting that one. So SPLK's tried to push higher already. It's kind of failing the move higher right now.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of shorting SPLK. It is a massive earnings win. The sell off.
Oh, you're right. It has the guidance. Isn't that the one with the guidance and the earnings beat?
Yeah. The reason why it's selling off is from the back holders from June, right? So
Yeah, volume just slowly died out there on SPLK very fast.
I actually like it for the long.
ROST is starting to roll over here.
I'm long SPLK.
And I can't short. Yeah, I guess I could, but that's an awkward short. You're long on SPLK. Nice.
Yeah. My average is 1835, and I'm gonna risk the 18s. Boom. There we go. Oh, I'm gonna take a little here.
Yeah, take a little on that. It trades really weird.
Okay, I got chaser size left. I'm just gonna leave it.
Yeah, I see what you're saying there on IQ. Could look a little weak. Look at TLRY still just moving.
Oh yeah, it's a 52-week breakout now. Boom, SPLK, let's go. Give me 120. You know what? I'm gonna come on.
Netflix kind of curling up and trying to break out here a little bit.
Overextended on the 119.
Dropbox with a big sell-off this morning.
I'm all out SPLK for now.
Yeah, see, this trade's really weird right now.
No, I think the floats. I mean, it's a little overextended from the 119, so it needs to consolidate a little bit. Just really mark off these levels. Oh, Brandon's in IQ. Yeah, I freaked out and sold my SPLK too early. It's fine.
Yeah, it's just I mean, even I did. I mean, it was just chopping me initially, so I'm like, I'll just leave that alone for now. What's GPS doing?
GPS is still holding the 29.5, and it's really slow. Ooh, SPLK 120 coming. Oh man.
I know. So sad that I didn't hold and got chopped out. Bad fill. That's okay. Let's see, what else do we have moving? IQ is getting a little weak where it's at right now, which is this was at 20, and it's at 29.30s, just over the 29.5 area. I wonder if we're gonna get a squeeze here on
Ooh. So I'm watching for GPS snap 29.5.
yeah, I'm starting to watch GPS potentially short too. It's getting heavy.
Yeah. You know what? I'm just gonna take it.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and start short here too on GPS, 2,000 shares. There we go. Just got in 2,000 shares.
I'm gonna risk 65.
So currently short guys on GPS 2000 as it's kind of rejecting that VWAP area. Stop will be just over the VWAP.
The bids are stacking hard though.
I know they're trying to come up. I think they're trying to squeeze us shorts here. I mean, look at all the sellers coming in.
I'm gonna size down.
Get it to go down.
I'm gonna size down just in case. Half size it instead.
Yeah, the bid's up to 29.50. Buyer just kind of stepped out of the way there. So still holding short guys here on GPS.
Yeah, I'm gonna stick to the plan. TLRY right now is coming back down to test the VWAP at 41. Watch for the bounce there.
Starting to not like this GPS as it has like a little mini curl to it. Come on.
It's coming. Don't worry.
I know. I hope I know.
Size down, man. I mean, if you're a little worried.
Well, I mean, the range isn't too bad on it. If it pops 10 cents, it'll be down. Yeah, I'll downsize. Yeah, I just downsized on GPS as it's not moving to minimize some risk here if it goes against me.
And you can hold it longer that way. Boom.
There it goes. There we go. There goes the snap. So still holding short here, 1,000 shares on GPS. Baby, let's go. Let's go. Pay me the bills. Or, well, don't pay me the bills. Pay the bills for me.
Another level? Come on. I'll pay myself. I'll pay myself half.
Yeah, I'll take off majority of my shares here down towards low a day. Then I'll try and let these 400 shares ride out. Or I'll give it a second, see what happens. Still got sellers coming in pretty hard on it. Is anybody in short with us on GPS right now? So I just covered 600 shares on GPS just to kind of, lock some profit in. Only got 400 shares on the trade now. Want to try and let these go through the pullbacks and ride out. Good job, guys. Good job taking profits already. I like it. Billy's in, Eddie's in, on the Brink's in. You already took some profit on it.
Yeah, this is considered a big wash for GPS for a stock like this, so you need to pay yourself a little bit at least.
Yeah, a stock like this moving 20, 30 cents is a good move, right? You can't expect just massive dollar moves on a stock like GPS. It's just not logical, really. But yeah, Bob is moving up. Good long, Brandon.
Oh, wow.
So TLRY, TLRY is kind of just hanging out. It's bouncing on the VWAP, kind of curling back and up.
Yeah, I like it for the long. It's making higher lows, very subtle.
Let's look for an ABCD on maybe TLRY.
Yeah, that would be a B right there.
Yeah. So watching TLRY for a potential ABCD pattern to occur. I mean, I see Netflix. It is curling up. It does look like a long. I'm not trading Netflix today. I'm just keeping my eyes on TLRY and some of these earnings plays for right now.
Okay, so GPS is coming down a couple of cents here. Very nice. Here we go, 29.25s.
Let's go.
Boom.
There it goes, baby. Come on, break that. If we get a breakdown below low a day, we should get a little bit of a panic, and then I'll probably take another 200 shares off on the panic drop and then let 200 shares ride. So I'm getting ready to cover up 200 if we get a low a day breakdown and panic sell off on GPS.
Yeah, 29.20s.
So like we're looking for GPS to break that yellow arrow on my screen. We should get a panic drop below that. And then that's where I'll look to cover up 200. That again is if it can break that that $29.18 level. Got some shorts covering up there. Makes sense. Sellers are
Get out.
selling.
Get out for the double bottom. Massive volume coming in, I think.
Yeah,
I don't know.
I took 200 more shares off on the GPS trade there, so I only have 200 shares now. We'll see what this does.
I'm out.
Visa just popped on my scanner for a top side reversal. Oh, it already reversed on us. We missed that one, but good alert from the scanner. Top side reversal just dropped 50 cents from that alert. So still got 200 shares short GPS, just letting this ride, see what it can do for me. SPLK kind of popping up there. Not going to trade SPLK anymore.
Okay, TLRY is holding the uptrend line very nicely. We got a 25-cent spread on it though, so.
Yeah, I see that 16-20 cent spread there.
So basically 100 shares would instantly lose you 25 bucks.
There's a good rollover pattern here curling on TLRY. Let's see if it can hold up. Yeah, that's starting to break down.
No, this looks more like a short trap to me. Let's see if the VWAP holds.
Oh, it could be a W pattern. Now that I'm looking at it. Yeah, I'm going to get ready for potential long here on it because it could be a W pattern and start squeezing. Let's see. Let me draw this out. Let's see if we get one. So we got.
Oh, yeah. GPS is reaching the low of days.
There's a bounce, maybe a W. Let me draw that a little bit cleaner. Yeah, guys, I'm drawing out a potential W pattern here in my chart. So if you want to watch that, that's not a W, Connor. What the hell are you doing? Possibly holding VWAP. So I do got kind of my finger on the buy button just in case TLRY wants to start popping. This is only if it can kind of hold and start curling up around, we might have a W. It's on the 50 moving average now. So we should expect some buyers to start coming back in on TLRY here if they are going to start coming in. GPS is just starting to kind of break down this 29.19 level, has yet to really break 29.18 low a day.
Wow, SPLK just broke out. I can't believe I got shook out there.
I got shook out hard, and then I accidentally fat fingered it too, and it was just a choppy mess for me.
121 GL. SPLK. See if I can get back in on the 120 hold here.
Oh, why did I zoom out? That's going to mess up my W.
GPS still looking weak. I wonder if I want to get back in again.
We might have a W on here on TLRY. I think we do. Let's see. The bids are starting to stack up a little bit here on TLRY. Volume starting to increase a little bit. It's trying to get up and over the 9 moving average. So just being patient with TLRY right now.
I'm thinking of shorting.
I'm long TLRY. It's starting to break up and over this trend line. So currently long TLRY. Starting to break over this downward trend line. We might just in fact have a little bit of a W pattern occurring. There it goes. Boom. Okay. Long TLRY there. Now here's a question. If we can get enough strength to push over our previous pop, which is right at about 41.68, that's kind of it. If we can get over 41.68, we should have a big push. Come on, let's go. So I'm in long 500 shares on TLRY. Come on, buddy. Yeah, I might look to just take a little bit off if it can't get over this 41 like 60s level. Got some sellers stepping up right now. They're getting bought up. Yeah, squeeze them, baby. Come on, let's go. Boom, perfect W pattern. Absolutely beautiful. Still holding, haven't sold. Okay, I'm gonna sell a little bit there. Just sold 250 shares. Now I got 250 shares riding out here. See if we can get up, retest high a day areas. Probably gonna get a little bit of a pullback here, which would be normal if it does happen. So I'm anticipating there will be some sort of pullback. That would make sense. Did anybody happen to catch any of this W pattern here on TLRY with me? And GPS still moving lower. Yeah, but I left those 200 shares on.
Holy GPS. I got back in at the 20s.
Scotty, you got the W pattern. The A team got in the W pattern. Andre, I wish. Heenley, good job. Uper, great job. You just made 100. Doug made 107 on it. Great job. Perfect W pattern, making money while making money. I love it. I love it. Still holding here on TLRY. Just going to give it a second, see what it wants to do. I'm anticipating we're pulling back here. I mean, I'm not scared of it. That's why it took 250 shares off at that 41.70s level, because I said that, you know, if it pops there, we're probably going to get a little sell-off, little resistance. So that's why I took some there. Now just holding to see if we can get a secondary push higher, but, you know, we might fail. So this is where now I'm starting to look for a little bit of a higher low setup on TLRY. So if we can get a higher low setup, then we can confirm that we are now on a little bit of an uptrend. So just looking forward to pull back, hold the 41.13s or even VWAP.
Oh, GPS. This thing's gone. Done.
Still holding short GPS, so that's working out well for me.
Bonus money.
Still got my 250 shares on. Ooh, Oki, you made 245 on GPS. Nice. So still holding here on TLRY. I mean, it is what it is. Just trying to stick through this pullback, get a higher low, and look for our secondary push up over towards the $42 level. Is my coffee cold or is my coffee warm? So I'm currently sitting up $1,000 on the day for TLRY, and I'm up $304 on GPS right now. So altogether, I'm up 1,164 on the day right now. TLRY is really struggling. Come on. If this really falls back on me, I'm basically going to give back the gains that I made on this move, holding for a little bit more of a push. I mean, it's holding this 41.18s pretty well. All right, starting to bounce. Come on, finish this green candle. Give us one more green candle. Curl on TLRY could be a really good sign. It's starting. Come on, come on. No, not that way. Go the other way. Go up, not down. Yeah, we might not be. Let's see. What does it look like from this angle? Had the W. I'll give it a second. It's still getting bought up. Wow, Baba with a massive dump. You could maybe watch Baba for a low a day bounce scalp trade right now. Baba just had a massive sell off, kind of testing the low a day areas right now. So TLRY is struggling right now, but I'm just trying to be patient. Now we have 2 buyers candles on the 1-minute chart occurring on TLRY for a tweezer bottom. So I think we're going to get the push up. Come on. Let's go. Yeah, there it is. Boom. So now we got a higher low starting. Until we actually break up, we haven't fully confirmed the higher low trend push on TLRY, but it's starting. So we'll see. We shall see. Come on.
Very spready.
Oh, is that, yeah, GERN. Someone said something about GERN earlier. Wow, yeah, GERN just went on a massive rip. That's why it's on the parabolic scanner. That's why it's, yeah, I gotcha.
GPS just reclaimed the 29.
Oh, I'm not even watching. I took GPS down. I was focusing so hard on TLRY that I missed some of the takedown there. And
just watch the 29.20 to reject it again, because that
yeah,
took a while.
that's the level I'm paying attention to is 29.20. So still long on TLRY with 250 shares. It's holding support over this 4112 area pretty well. So I don't really have a reason to cover. You know, if this wants to dump on me, I'll take the loss, but I'm not gonna, you know, cut myself short on a potential good move to the upside here. I'm just gonna be patient. Trust my plan. I'm not gonna add to this position, even though I think it's gonna break to the upside, just because volume's steadily dying out. You know, I'm already up pretty good. I'm not gonna try and get more money and, you know, be greedy. I got 250 shares in there. If we can get a strong pop, I could be looking at an additional, you know, $200, $300 on this push if it does really go. There it goes. Yep. Yeah, buddy. Come on, get over this 4170s. If we can get over this 4170s, it should be a strong push towards high a day. And then we're going to try and break through high a day. Then we might perform into a double top pattern, start pulling back off the high a days at 4143. Is anybody still long on TLRY with me? Did anybody hold through that pullback with me?
I'm still looking for an entry there.
Okay.
It's just too spready right now for me. I don't know. I might not want to play it for like 50 shares. Come on.
The A team's still with me. Hinley's still with me. So I'm still holding, right? You know, it's an attempt to get over it. This 4170s is kind of where it's at. And remember, you can always take profits whenever you feel you got a good chunk of change and you want to lock it in. There's no shame. But at this point, you know, we're very close to a push up to high a day. If we can really just get that last initial, if we can just get these buyers to really come in here, push it up, we're going to probably see a pop up to 41 or 42.30. And then that's where I'm going to look to sell 150 shares and then just leave on 100 shares. So I got 150 shares ready to go. Right now it's holding the previous pop area. So we'll see. It's still a good uptrend, right? We're still uptrending. So, you know, these are pullbacks. There's no reason to really sell. We don't have a bearish signal yet. Yeah, I took half of my shares off, so now I only have half riding, and I really want to just keep these on for this next push if we get it. So, I mean, I'm up 148 open P&L for these 200 or 250 shares, so you know, it's a good chunk of change.
Okay, I'll get in long with you.
So it's pulling back to the 9 moving average on TLRY, which is fine. I mean, it's pulling back to the 9. It's giving people, new buyers, an opportunity to come in and grab some shares if they want them. These are what these pullbacks do. They allow for people to come in and kind of buy up at a lower price before a hopeful move to the upside, which I think we're about to get right now. Come on, it's trying. Level two starting to get active. We should push right here. We're starting to become more active on our level 2. Come on.
I'm in with you. My average is terrible though. I got 85 average, so I'm risking the 50s.
Oh, come on. All right, pulling back to the 9. See how it pulled back to the 9 and got bought right back up? Yeah, this looks pretty bullish for right now. It's testing the downtrend line from the 52-week high from its low at the, so from the, or not the 52-week high, but from high a day at 42.43, going down to the W pattern pop at 9.56. That trend line's holding. We should get a push right here. Yeah, it's time. It's time. Give us the push. Give us the push. And if we do push, we're going to knock out some short seller stop losses here, and we should get a squeeze up towards high a day. Look at all those sellers coming in on TLRY trying to hold it down. Look at them all. Oh, squeeze them, baby. Get out of here. Get all the, come on, squeeze all these sellers. Here we go. Boom. Let's go. Come on. Give me the money. Give me the money. Let's go. Come on. Pay me and our whole team here at BRT. Let's do it. Come on, TLRY. Don't be a Sally. Don't be a Sally. Keep going. Oh, look at that little pullback on that 1-minute candle. That's not what we wanted to see. Ooh, look at that doji candle. That's not a good looking candle. I might have to sell out here. I might have to. I'm gonna take it off that. Well, it's still testing. No, I'm not, because it's testing that downward trend line and still getting bought up pretty good. But I'm just going to downsize. So I only have 100 shares now on TLRY. Oh, I thought we had that push. We almost had him. Almost had him. Almost had him. So just holding 100 shares now, completely downsized on the position to only 100 shares on TLRY. It's still holding this upward trend line from the beginning of the day and up. So until it really breaks that, I'm not going to cut out my 100 shares. All right, TLRY below the 9 moving average. See what it does. Oh, what's GPS doing? I forgot I still have money on that. So I'm up about 1,200 bucks on the day. You know what I think now that I'm looking at this? We might have a little bit, yeah, a little bit of a wedge pattern on TLRY somewhat. To sell TLRY or to not? No, it doesn't make sense. It's still above the trend line. Now it's breaking below. All right, I'm all out of TLRY. Just sold out TLRY, completely out of the trade. It's breaking down below its trend line, all out. Well, it was a good attempt. Good attempt.
Holy, NVDA's rocking.
Is it? Let's take a look at NVDA.
52-week high.
Possible ABCD. Let's see. All right. Let's see what we got going on here. All right, we have A. Then we have B. Just waiting on a potential C, and then we might have D for the breakout. So I'll keep NVIDIA up on the chart for potential ABCD bullish pennant breakout. We'll see if that happens. I'm done with TLRY for now. I mean, it might do something. Volume steadily slowing down on that stock. Not really crazy about it. We have a higher low on GPS, so I'm going to cover up my last. Yeah, if I go to GPS, there is a little bit of a higher low setup. So if it starts to break this 20 moving average to the upside, I'm going to close out my last 200 shares. All right, let's see what we got going on.
Baba is testing the 174 level.
Yeah, Baba ain't having such a good day today, nor was it yesterday.
Oh, it's snapping. I can't chase this.
So GPS starting to break over that 20 moving average in its trend line. Yeah, I'm out. So all out of GPS. It's kind of breaking the 20 moving average and that trend line. I'm all out. Possibility of a short squeeze up to the 50 and then the VWAP, which I'm just not going to risk. So made 271 there on GPS today.
SPLK still ripping. I can't believe it.
I know. Now I'm kicking myself in the head for that one.
I had a 118.35 average, bro. That's 4 points.
NVIDIA is moving so slow.
It's consolidating.
It has a nice curl here. That could even be C up there. Just gonna give it some seconds. Oh, look at GPS. I took it off. Got shook out. That's okay. So up 1,158 on the day. So a few more things hitting the scanners here. We got HIBB. Wow, that ended up being a pretty good short here this morning, HIBB. All right, VIAB. Not really doing much. Low volume, not going to trade that. TLRY failing, starting to drop a little bit. Has a little bit of a head and shoulders pattern on the 1 minute chart. Oh, look at GPS. Oh, come on.
Baba. Come back, Baba.
I got shook out. So I'm going to focus some attention here on Baba, see what's going on.
Oh, NVIDIA. Rip. Yeah, I really want to get long on NVIDIA on the dip here. Let's see.
I just don't trust it yet. So I'm waiting on NVIDIA here.
$269.20 is its previous 52-week high.
Or do you think this is a bearish ABCD possibly?
950. 269.50. I want to look for 269.50.
Oh, wow. Is this bearish or bullish? Oh, it's so hard to tell right now.
269.50 is the 52-week high from yesterday. It's the highs yesterday.
Right, like is this? Are we
Right.
actually looking at?
We're right on it right now. So.
Oh shit! Hold on. Let me take this off.
Oh, I like how it got back.
Kind of looks bearish. All right, am I wrong for thinking that this might be our A, B, and C, and then now we have D? I think that might be the case. Yeah, I might be watching a video actually short here.
Boom. What a cover pop.
Yeah, it was. Let me think to myself.
Check the uptrend line. It's a shakeout.
Hold on. That's the ABCD to the upside. I see more of an ABCD to the downside now. Right? Because the ABCD theoretically is like this.
I like it long. I'm going to take it long right now.
All right. All right, we'll see. Something's about to happen.
I'll risk the 80s. My average is 270.
I'm about to put this full screen for a second. Yeah, it's looking pretty bullish. I'm long. Oh, wait, hold on. No, I'm not. All right, I'm long on NVDA here as it's starting to break up and over this trend line a little bit. So currently long NVDA with 300 shares.
We got 15 minutes to 10:30 reversal time though. Give me one big pop.
So it's up and over this downward trend line a little bit. Or well, actually, no, it's theoretically not if I'm drawing from, yeah, it's not if I'm going from the wicks. So if I'm going from the wicks, it hasn't broke yet. But if you're going from the body candle, it has. So I'll put one there, and I'll put one over the bodies.
Let's go.
Wow. GPS wedging to the downside totally got faked out. Yeah, it's not, so far it's not favoring us.
Needs to hold this horizontal line. Come on, hold 270, please. I should have took my money on that.
Just trying to be patient with it. Oh, there it goes. We might get, here's the curl. Come on, this is the curl we're looking for, NVIDIA. What's the market doing? Market's just kind of bouncing up right now, so it might be helping us a tad. Yeah, the S&P is kind of trickling up right now, so market's in our favor for this long play too.
Boom.
Yeah, buddy, let's go. Come on, NVIDIA. So I'm already going to get ready to sell 150 shares if this thing pops up on us. Oop.
Fuck.
I know, it's struggling. It's trying. But NVIDIA is one of those stocks that takes a long time for a move to happen. And once it does, we usually get some good candles, but it usually kind of does a slow back and forth. Oh, look at TLRY finally broke to the upside there. Of course, without us, you sucker. Stupid for it to do it there. I guess it actually makes a little bit more sense now. I look at it hindsight 2020. Oh, GPS broke down. Ah, so salty, so salty.
I can't handle the weight.
Get
I
this
gotta size down. I'm sizing.
Oh, yeah. I was gonna say there's more sellers stepping in than there are buyers right now. Still holding the 9 moving average pretty well.
Yeah, and the wedge is forming hard. So let's go.
Oh, you gotta be kidding. Yeah, these long waiting trades are such a dread. All right, it's on the 9, giving opportunity for some more buyers to get in at a lower price. Still struggling though. This is where I'm starting to question whether it's an ABCD to the downside. I might actually, I don't know. God, it's so wishy-washy right now.
I'm gonna stick to the plan. I'm definitely sticking to the plan. 270.90. I'll use that. Stick to the plan.
TLRY hit a new high a day there. All right, we do have buyers coming up. Here it goes.
Wow, SPLK ripping more.
Buyers are jumping over market price. Yeah, okay. We still have a lot of sellers up overhead now. But buyers are starting to jump a little bit.
Jesus, SPLK. 5 points from where I bought it. Yeah, I'm going to watch for a 10:30 reversal on NVDA here because the daily chart's very overextended. Like, I don't think it can get back up to 271. Or even if it could, then it would double top and just...
I mean, so far daily chart's pretty bullish. I'm taking a look at the 5 minute. 5 minutes, very bullish looking.
Come on, it had to.
5 minute chart has a nice curl to it. One hour chart shows a long wick from the first hour of trading. I mean, it's right there. I mean, there's really no point to sell out yet. It's like right there. It's so close. It is so close to popping. We can just get a little nudge. Somebody hacked the servers on all the news wires and say NVIDIA is releasing a new graphics card for virtual reality, and then it should boom.
There we go. We got stacking action on the bid side. Stack it. Yeah, the tape's reading green. Boom.
There we go.
I just saw 39 prints. Come on, man.
Yeah, but look at, I mean, yeah, I got a lot of sellers coming in here. A lot of sellers up in the 40s. I don't like the way that's performing now that it's not breaking. I'll give it a second. We still have buyers hopping up. But if this fails, I'll probably end up reversing bias to a short.
I'm out. I'm just taking my money. I can't.
Yeah, I'm all out of NVIDIA. It's just taking too long. Oh, I didn't fully get out. Now I'm fully out. So it took a $30 loss on NVIDIA there. I don't know. It's just.
Hey, are you still recording?
Yeah, I haven't ended it, but I'm about to.
Okay.
So anyways, guys, that is where we're going to end the recording. So for those of you tuning into this video on YouTube, thank you guys once again for tuning in. First link in the description will allow you to join into our private trading group so you can join us every day for the trading session.